Log into your Canva account, and once there, go to the YouTube thumbnail that you want to use. So you want to go to Resize, and if you have the plus feature, or not plus, if you have Canva for Work, this is already included, but if you don't have Canva for Work, this is one of the features that is included in Canva for Work. So I don't want it to be social media size. I want it to be blog graphic size, and I'll explain why in just a second. Not letterhead. Okay. We're going to say abracadabra. And you want to go ahead and close the other file. Okay, so what we want to say is, so that we can distinguish the two, say featured image. That way you know it's for your blog post, not your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you just want to move the stuff around. That way it looks consistent with your blog post. However format you usually do them. So this is the exact same size as the Pinterest pin template size. Okay. Since this is slightly bigger, we can make the images a little bit bigger if you want. This layout's kind of different from my usual layout. Usually I have something in the background. So and my screen being so light, it's hard for me to tell when one document starts and ends. So I can go ahead and make these slightly bigger. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to look good. Okay. And to make it really my own, or consistent with my other branding, I should say, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little box here. I want this box to be black. And you can see over here we're only at 39%. So this is how big it's going to be. Yeah, this is 100% now. As you can tell, I have my different blog URLs there, blackgirlish.com, epartners.marketing.com. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and say epartnersmarketing.com because that's the blog it's going to be on, I think. But yeah. It's better to do it in all caps because sometimes people can't differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters. So this just makes it easy. And, you know, they're going to be clicking on this from Pinterest or from, you know, whatever social media you use. So you just want it to be really